Welcome to TeachersFlow, the platform that helps teachers create smarter, faster, and more personalized learning experiences. My name is Mia, and I'll be your guide throughout this tutorial series. In the last video, we took a look at the lesson planner. This time, we'll explore a completely new page called Test Grader. I'll show you how to grade your tests, get detailed notes for each exercise, and generate overall feedback with a grade, which is saved individually for every student, all by simply taking photos of the test. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, you can take photos directly from the app, since TeachersFlow is a web application. The easiest way is to take photos of the test directly on your phone. For the fastest workflow, we usually suggest using the test grader on your phone and other features on a computer or tablet with a larger screen. But of course, you can use any device you want for every feature in this app. You can also upload photos of the test here. So if you don't want to take photos directly from the app, you can just upload already taken photos here. You can drag and drop the images or paste them into this upload field. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've prepared photos of an imaginary and simple math test filled out by a student. We highly recommend taking more than one photo if possible. Ideally, one photo per exercise or a section. This allows the AI to generate more structured notes for each part and produce even better overall feedback and grading. It's also really important to mention that if you don't want to use this feature for the entire grading process, you absolutely don't have to. You can grade and review the test manually, then upload already graded test photos and still get notes for each part, detailed feedback you can send to your students, and save the test to students' records. This way, you can track their progress with grades over time. Review all individual student records whenever you want. Create written feedback for your students, and create overall better learning experiences, which is exactly what this app is for. So let's upload the photos so you can see the whole process in practice. I'll just select my photos and then fill out the test name. I'll keep it simple and call it Math Test. Then I'll select the student. So the graded test can be saved directly to their profile and viewed later on the group's page. Now I'll add some additional context. This was a simple math test focused on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's click Grade Test. After just a few seconds, you can see the entire test has been graded. For each photo, the AI generates what the student did well and what needs improvement. You can edit these notes however you want. If you scroll down, you'll also see overall feedback, which is perfect for sharing directly with your students. This feedback often includes actionable steps, making it very helpful for student development. On the right side, you can see the grade, as you already know from previous videos. TeachersFlow uses percentage-based grading, which works well for teachers from different countries. You can save this graded test at any time to the student you select here. We already did that. So let's take a look at the students' records on the group's page. As you can see, the test has been added to the students' records. You can scroll down, see the same graded test, and even download photos you took. It's also displayed in this graph for better progress tracking over time. Grades can be added automatically through Test Grader through quizzes, or manually, whichever you prefer. We covered grading in earlier tutorials, so if you haven't watched them yet, I highly recommend going back and checking them out. The entire series is under 30 minutes. And that's it for today's tutorial. TeachersFlow is evolving almost every day and will continue adding new and powerful features. We'll keep this tutorial series updated as well. You can also follow us on social media. The links are in the description, where we share updates even earlier. You can also join our Facebook community, talk with other teachers, ask questions if you encounter any problems, and vote on which features we should build next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.